Tight quads can cause problems for your knees. It can decrease the knee's mobility, cause stiffness, and even pain. Also, because of one part being a hip flexor, this tightness can cause problems in the hips and also in your lower back. Stretching can increase the flexibility of the quads, but it won't address the deep tension and the feeling of tiredness that is felt in the muscle. Foam rolling can help with this issue, but it's bothersome to go on the floor and carry your own weight, and it's also extremely painful. Wish there would be a better way to release the quad stiffness. Well, there isn't. Let's end the video here. No, just kidding. In this video we will show you 2 easy to do exercises that will replace foam rolling. These exercises will release tension from the quads and will give you relief for the possible knee, hip or lower back issues that stem from your tight quads. These exercises will work the myofascia, and the quads are a really important link in the anterior myofascial chain, so it's really good for the whole anterior chain of your body. The first exercise is done standing, and the second one is even easier. It's done sitting down, and choose the one that feels best for you. Big pharma, big surgery, big foam roller industries will cancel and bury us after this video.
We did it. The movement is cancelled.
Excellent work.
So please help keep us afloat by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. The first one is the standing release. You can use a tennis ball, or best would be a massage ball, or a small children's basketball, football. You know, football, the one that you play with your feet, not the egg that you hold in your hand. Although the egg might also work. And Teemu, you will notice all our USA-based subscribers will unsubscribe now. But please don't do so. We love you. This is just a little banter, you know, like friends have. A small disclaimer before we start. Don't do these exercises if you have any cuts, wounds, infections, inflammations in the region, or fractures, or you have issues with blood clotting, or you have had a recent surgery in the area. And if you want to do these exercises in these cases, then ask your medical doctor if it's okay. Put the ball against the wall and now push the lateral part of your thigh against it. Start to bend your knee and rock back and forward. It should feel painful and nasty. That's the right thing to feel actually. Stay on one spot until it starts to ease. The pain starts to normally fade, but if it doesn't, then don't do longer than 3 minutes. It's not productive anymore. And in the end of the video, we'll tell you how to schedule this in your week and how this relates to workouts and exercising. And now when you start to change the spot, lower or higher, depends where you started, but if you started high, go low, and yeah, Uno reverse, go the other way. But go through all the line shown here. Stand straight facing the wall and do the same from bottoms up or up to bottom. Whichever way you want, there's no difference if you don't have any special lymphatic problems. And when you've gone through the line, the whole anterior line there, then you turn to the other way, but now because we don't want to change the camera's placement, because the other side of our office is super ugly, Teemu will demonstrate it with the other leg. The ball against the small, the VMO, vastus medialis oblique, and then you start to release this muscle. And here also you can go a little bit higher or a little bit lower, but don't go onto the knee. So don't go onto the kneecap, the patella, or on to the femur or shin. Stay on the muscle. And again, 1 to 3 minutes, or if it starts to fade, the pain before this, then you can already change the spot. The second exercise is sitting myofascial release for the quads. You need a stick, a broom handle, and take a sturdy hold, and then press to the muscle and keep a downwards pressure, and then start to massage the place, doing small local massages, causing friction in the myofascial structure. And remember to keep constant pressure. Pressure is key to life, so remember to pressure people and muscles and everything. When the muscle starts to let go or 3 minutes has passed, go down. So you go a little bit downwards. And the direction isn't important in my experience, so if there ain't any lymphatic issues, and now you go all the way down and don't go on any bone structures, kneecap or femur or shin. And then when you've done that, then turn your knee inside and watch out not to have your toes pointing outwards. So don't put any twisting forces on the knee. It can take it usually, but it's just uncomfortable. If there is any knee pain, then it can aggravate the symptoms. Go through all of the line shown here. And next, turn the knee outwards. And again, the small muscle there, the VMO, work on that for 3 minutes. This can be really sore. And stay tuned, soon I will tell you how often you should do this and when not to do this. Sometimes releasing this area feels magical and wonderful and alleviates your hip and knee problems and knee pain, but sometimes it needs more. Postural muscles need to be strengthened and activated to get the quads relaxed and hip and knee healthy. Also, releasing the whole anterior myofascial chain is highly beneficial, and if you want to learn how to do that, grab our free ebook, guide, whatever you want to call it, from there or from the link in the comment section. For the release exercises we showed you, like you like to say in English, do the whole shebang 2 to 3 times a week until the tension starts to fade away. But don't do it on consecutive days. Let the muscles and tissues rest and recover. This way you will avoid unnecessary pain and inflammation. And the same applies to exercising after doing these release techniques. Let the tissues and muscles recover before you use these muscles in your workouts. So don't do the release techniques just before your workouts or on the same day before working out. So in this case, skip leg day, but no worries. You can do the beach workout day, so doing your biceps and pecs. When your muscles have recovered from the release technique, then you can continue with your leg workouts normally. This takes usually 1 to 2 days, normally 1 day. And if you have problems with your knees, then check out this video and learn how to fix it. Bye bye!